So what I would need to do in order to actually get this functional is I would have to call this a bot. So like say def bot like this. And as you can see, like this is another thing that, you know, I also got really excited when I saw it write code, but without being able to know how, without knowing how to code, it's gonna take some tweaks and changes. So like you're kind of gonna need to know at least the basis of how to code. Now this is weird that this didn't get pushed with it, but so if this needs to be sent over as well. It's weird how when you indent, it doesn't always indent correctly. And that's like, for me, when I was first getting started, indentation was tricky as well. So, you know, my overall summary of this is essentially ChatGPT is like an expert noob coder. Expert as it has all the information needed, but it's also a noob in the fact that you have to like really massage it and to get the right answers.